Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to start earning money by crypto trading. And the tutorial is going to be for people with a lower budget. So basically everyone can follow this tutorial and start making money. First, we're going to be using centralized crypto exchange called KCEX. You can find the link in the description because if you use my link, you're always getting additional bonus. And I'm using this platform because this is the only platform that offers zero fees. So basically if you're trading $100, you're actually trading $100 because usually other crypto platforms like to take a big percentage if you win or if you lose. And this is why I pick this exchange. Also, this exchange has really great rewards. For example, you can see right here, new user rewards. You get $2 for free just to sign up. You get $2 for free if you try the futures. You get $5 if you tried spot deposit. You get $1 more for spot trading. So basically you can see you're getting multiple different bonuses for almost doing nothing. That's why I picked out this platform, because it gives you money for free to test it out. Again, really great. And also it has no fees. So basically it's a win-win situation. And as usual, my link in the description will give you additional bonus. So step one is done. We have platform that pays us and also costs nothing to trade. Also, by the way, this platform doesn't require you to KYC, so you don't have to actually put in your documents and all this information, which is a really huge bonus for countries where centralized exchanges like Bybit or Binance are blocked. So you can actually still use it, sometimes using VPN. Next really great thing, with this platform, there is not that many features. We only have the essentials we need to actually start making money. So first of all, you can actually deposit the funds. It's really simple. Click deposit, select what cryptocurrency do you want to send, for example, USDT. What network, for example, TRC20 or Tron. You get your wallet and you can actually send USDT using this chain to this wallet. Again, really simple process. And now let's talk about the actual money making. So we have two different ways. How can we trade? We can use spot trading or futures trading. So I will show you first of all spot, which is a safer option, but also slower option. So basically spot means just buying crypto on the markets. For example, we have Bitcoin. Right here on the right, we have multiple different options, buy or sell. Next up, you can do limit buy. Limit buys allows you to actually set limits where the exchange will buy it for you automatically. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin at $100,000, but you don't want to sit next to your laptop. For this example, you select spot, buy, limit order, at what price do you want to trigger the buy, and how much. Again, really simple process. For example, I want to buy at 100,000. I hope it's right. And I want to buy, let's not go a lot, 0.02. which is still a lot. And you can just click buy Bitcoin and the platform will buy the Bitcoin for you at this price automatically. So basically it will automate your trading. Again, it's a school, but we are here to make money. And the faster way to make money is the futures. Futures lets you actually borrow the money. So for example, if you have $100, you can actually borrow the money and trade bigger amounts. For example, we have this X right here, and this means how much you're borrowing. So for example, if I want to place $100 trade and I will use 10x leverage. Let's go with manually 10x, confirm. And for example, I'm doing $100 trade and I'm using 10x leverage. It means I'm placing $1,000 trade, even though we're risking only $100. The only thing with futures, if you place $1,000 trade and this trade goes wrong by $100, you can lose your initial $100. But of course, we have features like stop losses. So for example, you can place a trade, and if this trade goes wrong, for example, only 5%, you can actually have a stop loss. You can input how much profit do you want to take or how much loss would you take. And basically automation will sell your position. So for example, you want to buy Bitcoin, you only have $100, but you are really confident that Bitcoin will go up. So for this example, again, we're going to use 10x leverage. You can use way more, you can see, but I think for the beginners, 10x is more than enough. I want to do $100 because it's my all budget, but I'm doing 10x. It means I will be trading $1,000 position. So for example, I want to go long and I want to buy market. Market means I want to buy at the market price, which is right now. So let's go 5-minute chart. So you can see I can buy it right now. This will be $1,000 bet. But if I'm wrong, I don't want to lose the $100. That's why I can actually click right here, take profit stop loss, and I can input at what price they want to sell. Basically, this will automatically trigger sell, and I can only lose as much as I'm willing to risk. But the upside could be unlimited. That's why this is a really powerful tool if you're patient and if you know how to do it. So the next thing is we actually have our VIP group where I personally share my signals, my calls, what we're buying, even OTC deals where you can actually buy tokens like SUI and other tokens with 40% discount with, of course, vesting. So basically you can find also the link in the description and just copy what we're doing with the futures, with the spot, because lately we have been having really great results. And because it's new, I'm having a really big discount. So you can find both links in the description for the KCEX, for our signals, for our calls, for our trading tutorials, trading courses, all these things in the description. But again, this is a really great platform because you don't need any KYCs. It's free. You get free money just to start trading, so you can actually test your abilities, and they don't have any fluffs. Basically, free money, no fees, just trade and start winning. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you next time.